welcome back to an all-new episode of Costway. Today we'll be reviewing this water park, in which if you wanted your very own, check out the link down below in the description. And today we'll be unboxing it as well as building it and seeing what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this here is our packaging, this here is our box. Let's go ahead and open it up like this. And everything is nicely compacted. I'll lift that out. Gonna put this in the middle since we're putting it over here. There we go. And then inside here we have our tubing for our water. We have some balls. We have some ways to pin it down. And then we have our actual motor, which is the air blower right here. So let's go ahead and set this thing up next and see what it looks like. You excited?
Yeah, let's do it.
That's cool. It's big. You got the water slide, you got the water gun, and then you've got the soccer field. Haha, sweet. So this here's our tour. So we have this little sprinkler with like an elephant. Really cool just to interact with. Over here we have this little water gun, which you can go ahead and like shoot. Like Hunter's coming down the slide right now. Hey, Hunter, go! I got you! And then on the top there you have a little water sprinkler going over the slide to kind of give it a water effect. And then inside here, woo, we have a soccer field. Come on, let's play.
Let's go!
Alright, let's go over there, block the goalie. Okay, go inside there. Come on. Alright, let's shoot. Ready?
Yes.
Woo! Oh, goal! And then you have these bullseyes, so you're gonna throw it on there like that. So much fun!
Then!
Dan, what are you doing? If you had any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.